It's getting really exciting as we head into the close with the Nasdaq eking out an all-time high, and we're also seeing the S&P up higher as well as we see tech jump ahead of major earnings. Let's check in with the Forex, where we are focusing on the euro dollar. The bias remains bullish, long positions above 121.15 favored, targets at 121.70 and 122 in extension. The pound is seeking a further advance and the dollar yen is consolidating. Let's check into Bitcoin, where we are seeing the downside prevail as long as 33,115 is resistance. In gold today, it's under pressure. Short positions below 1,875 favored, targets at 1,845 and 1,846.75 in extension. Follow Trading Central on Twitter for all of your Forex market updates, and for Trading Central Web TV, I'm Olivia Vaz.